Yeah, it's on. It's
You heard me? We out here at the Secret Car Show at the town tomorrow, you heard me? It's me, Kid, your boy, the president out here, the clique, you heard me? You see us? We deep, you heard me? We about 15, 16 deep. We doing our thing. I'm about to show y'all whoops, you heard me? This how I come, you heard me? I'm recording on Tuesday, you heard me? Check me out over there. Come check me out, you heard me? Come on, Kel, come check it out, you heard me? Come check it out, you know what I'm saying? Got the tools on my shit, you heard me? Check me out. I got some screens in my shit. We doing the BI here. Show them niggas the screens here. Show them niggas I got them screens in that bitch here. Check my shit out here. Got that here. Got that. Niggas acting duffy out this bitch, you heard? Niggas going retarded, you know what I'm saying? Everybody trying to get their stunt on out here. That's my nigga Peter shit, you heard me? You know, real retarded. That's all you, boy. Let me get that bitch.
Windows dark as a bitch.
You know what I'm saying? Real presidential, you can't see in that bitch. We're gonna take it over here. There's that other Honda boy, you heard me, Cujo, you know how he coming. Screens all in that bitch, let me show you. You see how niggas coming, you heard me? Screens all through that bitch, you heard me? We got that Charger boy over here, Chris, you heard me? He a new addition to the group, but we gonna thug it out, you heard me? Juice! Where you at, Juice? You heard me? Say something for them niggas, Bolivar, you heard me?
Now we aiming for it, this half of us. Now you know we about to be the hardest thing hitting out here. New song out, we going retarded. Dumpy right now, get it how you live.
The dead. This Tonka toy right here, this that nigga Chris, you heard me? Foles looking real retarded. My nigga Butler done upgraded. Last time y'all saw him, he was on 20, now he on 2s, you dig? Say something for the camera, Chris, nigga. You see them fucking glasses? Zoom in on fucking glasses, you heard? Look at my nigga glasses, you heard? This nigga got glasses for his shit, you heard? Come on, man. I want y'all boys say something for the camera, nigga. Let them niggas know what you are, you heard me? Show them how you coming, Cam. Let's see. Look here.
Prospect.
Take me out, 22-inch, Cruiser reefers, you know, dumb shit.
Prospect, y'all.
About to get that bitch lick wet right quick. The light's coming soon, you know, so I ain't gonna show y'all too much, because everything coming soon, you know.
Like you selling the city?
I want. You show the stick on that bitch.
The mixtape after that. Hey, get my mixtape, because I'm coming hard. That was up, rough and rugged. We out here chilling, you know what I'm saying? It's all good. It's all good. Okay. Real retarded.